Hey, what's going on, everybody? I'm Chris. I'm here with Kathy. We go by Ginger Marvin on Instagram and YouTube, and we have another What Sold video for you today. It is Friday, July 16th, and we are going to follow Kathy around to see what sold for us today.
Hey, friends. Okay, so we're starting in BQ. So these are the brand Freshly Picked. I talk about it all the time. So these used to sell really well around 30. Now they're more like around 20 to 25. I had them listed on Facebook Marketplace for 20 plus ship. A buyer reached out and asked if I would do 15. I almost said no, but I only have $1 into them, and that was an easy, pretty much like $12 profit. So I just said yes, because the last couple pairs that I kind of overpriced of Freshly Picked took like months to sell. So I'd rather have the quick sale, take the $12 and buy something else.
So the market has changed on those?
Yeah, they're still good. I mean, I would definitely still pick them up, but just don't expect $30 from them.
Is that the wrong item?
It is, but I did sell this, so maybe I just put a lot in this box. Yeah. That was pretty much all the stuff I listed yesterday in that one box. Okay, so the first label was this just Baby Gap tank top. It has like food chucks and stuff on it. That was just my son's. I think I bought it off Kidizen for $8 last summer, and he wore it. Actually, both kids wore it, and then I sold it for $9.96 free ship on eBay. So probably making back about 5 of my 8 on that, and that even has a stain on it, and it still sold for $10 shipped. So let me find the label for this one while we're here. Yeah, lots of sales today. Nothing. Not any $100 ones today,
Right.
which like the last 3
Those all
days
happened
got
yesterday,
me
right?
spoiled. Yeah. So that other one was this Bowden, mini Bowden plaid. It's like a linen blend button down. This I bought for my son at Goodwill. It was only $1.99. He had to wear these button ups for pre-K, but that one never ended up fitting him. He was just small. So
Yeah.
anyways, I only bought it for that reason. Like, it's not really one that we would wear anywhere else, so I just listed it now that pre-K is over. So 15 free shipping on that. Shipping was $4.15. Again, $1.99 into it. It was like a $6-7 profit on that. CI.
What you doing? Hi.
So I guess our kids are awake. Hold on. So, I've sold several of these if you've been watching the channel for a while. This is the brand Cloth and Stone. These are just some like wide leg cropped linen pants. I think I have one more pair after this, but I think I had like 8 pairs to begin with. So, got these all retail arbitrage at Marshall's for $7 a piece. This pair sold for $28 on Poshmark. That was the floor. All right. This is something I just bought for my son, but didn't fit right, so I just relisted it. I actually got this off Facebook Marketplace for $5, and I got it when I had that free shipping deal, so I only paid the $5. I listed it, I think, for $12. Someone offered me $9 on Mercari, plus they paid shipping, so I accepted. So I'm still actually profiting like $2 off of that, but that was not the intention, so. All right, AR. These are some Columbia men's, they're not the PFG, but just like I don't know. They're not really a swim jump. They're like a short with liner and everything.
Maybe like running shorts or something?
Yeah, I don't know. So those I also got retail arbitrage at Marshall's for $8. Because the summer's coming to an end here quickly, I got an offer of $19, and I just accepted because they've been listed at probably 6 months at this point and haven't sold. Well, I did have a couple pairs, so that was the last one. So I'm just ready to get rid of it at this point. Excited to get space in our boxes for like jackets and stuff. Some dance go. All right, these I'm really happy sold. These are just, I really like these dance goes. They're like an Oxford, but they're just in really good shape. I don't know. They took a few months to sell, but they did sell for $40 plus shipping on Facebook. I have $10.99 into those, so really good sale there. Box L. These are some little baby red Converse shoes. I have $3.99 into them. Sold them on Facebook for $16 plus shipping. be our, it's in the back. These are some women's Nike Flyknit shoes. These sold for $35 plus shipping on Facebook. I have $9.99 into those ones. Then a Q.
This way.
I actually sold both of these. So this first one is Patagonia. Just a snap tee fleece pullover. That one sold on Facebook for $35 plus shipping. That was my son's. I believe I bought it off Facebook a while back, like not through Marketplace, but just through one of the buy sell trade groups for, I think I got a really good deal on it, like $18 or maybe $20, but I got it fairly cheap. So I did make some money, but he did wear it as well. And then this other Patagonia also sold. Yeah, this one sold on Kidizen for $28 free shipping. Shipping cost me $4.15. I don't remember where I got this or what I paid for it, but again, I know I got a good deal. I know I'm not losing any money here, but maybe just breaking close to even on that. All right, and then CE. I think these are just some Crocs little toddler boat shoes. These I picked up when we were in Denver for our, like when we went to Jellystone trip, then we went up to Denver for the day, and where did I stop? Like Kid to Kid or something. So these, I think these were only like $1 and some change because they were like on super clearance, but I averaged my cost of goods that day, so everything came out to $5.18 a piece. So because of that, this is not a huge profit, but I sold them for $18 free shipping was $4.15. I think I'm about making a $6-7 profit on those. So AL. These are just some Nike Huarache sneakers for a little toddler. These I have $6 into, sold them for $20.95 free shipping, and shipping through eBay cost me $4.20. Alright, then Box X. This was a really good sale. So this is the brand Fin Comfort. I've never sold it before, but it said made in Germany. It had the footbed like a Birkenstock did. And even though these are in, I mean, they're not in rough shape, like the soles don't have any like heel drag or anything, but I don't know. All these sandals that like get the footprint marks are just weird to me. So anyways, these retail for like just under 200 or just over 200, like a ton. There wasn't a ton of listeds or sold, so I just kind of made up a price. I think I did $69.95 plus ship. We have a sale running, so the buyer paid $63.65 plus shipping. So
okay,
really good. I only had $6.46 average cost of goods into these.
That's really good.
That is really good. So yeah, definitely I would call that a bolo brand. They sold within the first month they were listed, and for good money. And I saw another pair, not of that exact style, but that brand recently, and I did not buy them because I was like, well, I haven't tried it out yet. I don't know how good it is, so now I'm like sad I didn't buy those, but now I know. This is a Disney Donald Duck t-shirt. It has him on the front and the back. I love those front back graphic tees. This was actually a shirt I bought for myself, and I did wear it a few times. And then our viewer Debbie snagged this up for her son. So Debbie, thank you so much. I sent her an offer, obviously not knowing she was a viewer, on eBay. $15 plus shipping is what Debbie paid. And yeah. I originally bought that off Poshmark as part of a bundle deal, so I had about $11 and some change into that to begin with. So Debbie, thank you so much. I know you watch our channel all the time and you comment on Instagram, and like I see your face, like, you know, like on Poshmark, the little circle face.
Your icon.
So yeah. So thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you so much for the support. We appreciate it, Debbie.
All right, last but not least today, we got these Skechers flats. I have $7.99 into them. Sold them on Kidizen for $28 free shipping. Shipping was $5.15 through Kidizen, so not too bad.
All right, so we're gonna go ahead and get this stuff all packed up, and we'll be right back. Alrighty, guys, got everything all packed up. Quite a bit going out today. Not high dollars, but this one was actually those what were those, New Balance from yesterday that was sold on Posh, but
He put it in a big old box.
yeah,
Didn't have a good box for that to fit them because they were so long.
it was too big even for the 13 by 13 by 9s to fit good. Like, we'd have to do a bunch of
Yeah.
extra work, so we figured just use the brown box. So that is gonna do it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Like I said, we have a lot going out today, but not as high of a profit as like yesterday or the day before. A lot of this stuff was our own kids stuff, so a lot of break evens here, but we're getting that money back. That's kind of how we started doing this. Kathy started reselling by buying and selling our kids' clothes to try to as like a hobby, and it just grew into what we got here now. So anyway, we do have to get this stuff off to the post office, so thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Bye.